Today we're diving into the world of video editing with a head-to-head comparison between Capcut and PremeirePro. Capcut is a popular mobile device editing app known for simplicity and accessibility, while PremeirePro is a professional-grade editing software favored by industry experts and content creators alike. Throughout this video, we'll explore these two products in depth, covering features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternatives to help you choose the best tool for your video editing needs.
Let's take a look at these applications' keynote features. Capcut features include intuitive editing interface. Capcut offers a straightforward interface with easy-to-use editing tools, making it perfect for beginners. Advanced effects. With Capcut, you can add filters, transitions, and music to your videos, enhancing their visual appeal. Mobile editing. Capcut is optimized for mobile devices, allowing you to edit videos on the go with ease. AI-powered editing. Capcut leverages artificial intelligence to enhance your editing process, offering features like Smart Cut and auto framing. PremeirePro features include professional-grade editing tools. PremeirePro offers a comprehensive suite of editing tools, allowing advanced color grading and audio mixing capabilities. Multi-platform compatibility. PremeirePro is available on both desktop and mobile devices, offering seamless integration across platforms. Creative Cloud integration. PremeirePro is part of Adobe Creative Cloud, allowing for easy collaboration and access to additional creative tools. Industry standard software. PremeirePro is widely used in the film and television industry, making it a trusted choice for professional editors.
Capcut offers a straightforward pricing structure, providing its mobile video editing app for free, making it accessible to all without any upfront cost. On the other hand, PremeirePro operates on a subscription-based model, with plans starting at $20.99 a month for individuals and $33.99 per month for businesses. At the time of the making of this video, they also offer a student discount, however the prices do vary pretty often with this one. PremeirePro's subscription includes access to other Creative Cloud apps, such as Photoshop and After Effects, adding to its value. Capcut provides a user-friendly experience with its intuitive interface and mobile editing capabilities. However, PremeirePro offers a more robust set of features and customization options, catering to the needs of professional editors. Comparing Capcut and PremeirePro, Capcut offers a user-friendly mobile video editing app with intuitive features suitable for beginners, making it accessible and easy to use for those new to video editing. Additionally, Capcut is free to use, eliminating any upfront costs for users looking to edit videos on their mobile devices. However, Capcut's capabilities are limited compared to PremeirePro, particularly in the terms of advanced editing features, effects, and overall flexibility. PremeirePro, while more complex and requiring a subscription fee, provides a comprehensive suite of professional-grade tools and functionalities suitable for both amateurs and professionals seeking advanced editing capabilities.
Alternatives to Capcut include KineMaster and InShot, which offer similar mobile editing capabilities. For PremeirePro, alternatives include Final Cut Pro and DaVinci Resolve, both of which provide professional-grade editing tools and multi-platform support.
In conclusion, the choice between Capcut and PremeirePro ultimately depends on your editing needs and skill level. If you're a beginner or need to edit videos on the go, Capcut is a solid choice. However, if you require advanced editing features and industry-standard software, PremeirePro is the way to go. Sign up for your preferred software using the links in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe to EasyInternet for more video editing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.